A question is asked whether you can play the Quran in the background while you're cleaning and washing dishes or doing something, and as long as you're not speaking over it, and as long as you are listening to it, even if you're not actively sitting and only focusing on it, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you are playing the Quran and you're having a conversation, or you're watching TV, or you're doing something else and not paying attention to it at all, then no. إِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنُ فَاسْتَمِعُوا. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell us in the Quran? When the Quran is recited, listen to it. So again, if you are washing dishes and you play Quran, as long as you keep your ear to it, and you can be doing other things at the same time, nothing wrong with it. But if you're out there having a conversation, playing some games or something like that, then to play the Quran and disrespect it by speaking over it would not be acceptable.
Do you have questions that need answering?
Alhamdulillah, great opportunity for you to get your questions answered. A lot of people send us questions on One Message Foundation and it overwhelms us, so we started this channel just for you. Get your answers here, inshallah, by sending an email to shaykhUthmanqa@gmail.com. So all one word, Shaykh Uthman QA, no spaces, no dots, no hyphens, nothing like that, @gmail.com.